Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned to Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. Now let's move on. Our Indian market has corrected significantly from its peak. And are we due for a bounce back now? Hormaz is joining in with us to tell us what brokerages like Jefferies and CLSA have to say on India. Hormaz?
And Jefferies has been maintaining this view of an impending bounce in the Indian markets, and they have now cited multiple reasons for that. While the Nifty is now almost down 13-14% from its peak, the broader markets are already down over 20% from their respective highs. And based on that, Jefferies believes that the valuations now of the markets are closer to their long-term averages, and the market has discounted almost every possible positive news, be it easing from the RBI, liquidity measures, the income tax cuts announced in the budget. All of them have been ignored by the market. Economic activity levels are already picking up according to Jefferies, and all of this combined with the resultant reasonable valuations post this correction is what is prompting Jefferies to say that the market is poised for a bounce. Now, they have highlighted some stocks where they have screened some names based on the criteria that they are trading below their long-term average. They have growth visibility of at least 14% EPS growth, and they have seen minimal downgrades of less than 5% in the last 2 quarters. And based on this, they have highlighted names like Voltas, Crompton, Apollo Hospitals, Adani Ports, HDFC, AMC, Shriram Finance, Home First, Aptus and Sirma SGS as some of these names that fit the criteria that we just mentioned. Now, on the other hand, CLSA is saying that the third quarter was better than what they had expected, but the consensus EPS downgrades continues to remain a cause of concern for them. And among the companies under their coverage, 63% of them saw an earnings downgrade for FY26, while only 18% saw an earnings upgrade for the next financial year. Now, based on this, CLSA has upgraded some names to hold from underperform. They include the likes of Voltas, Tata Steel, IOC and BPCL along with Oil India. They have upgraded stocks like Escorts Kubota, Dalmia Bharat, ACC, Aurobindo Pharma, Godrej Properties, TCS and Wipro to an outperform rating from an earlier rating of hold. They have upgraded Bajaj Auto to an outperform from an underperform, so that's a double upgrade. And also, they have downgraded GSPL and Dr. Reddy's. So these are some of the stocks that both Jefferies and CLSA are advising to keep on your radar.
Thank you so much, Hormaz, for joining us and giving us a sense of what MNC brokerages are advising clients to do and this current market fall. But moving on, Varun